Hey guys, just a quick tip. I'm going to keep you updated on this case, but we had a guest come. Actually, somebody booked for someone else, which is a lesson learned, and it was the worst experience we've ever had with a guest. And in the end, they stole beach towels, face towels, white towels, all the bottle seasoning we had in the unit. They didn't pay for their laundry service. They left it excessively dirty. So if a housekeeper alerts you that something like this has happened, or now is the time to tell your cleaning service, always do inventory, check to see that what you put in, they have left. Always make sure that if something is excessively dirty or broken, that you take pictures, because you're going to need to file a case. And with that case, I had pictures of the beach towel that they destroyed, ripped in half. And although I couldn't take pictures of what was missing, I took pictures of the excessive dirtiness, right? Or the housekeeper did and sent it to me. So I just want you to keep this in mind. It definitely is important. So talk to your team now, your housekeeper and cleaning service now. Make sure that you're taking that inventory. And anytime something goes missing, make sure that, you file a claim so that you can get back what's missing. All right. Or get paid for what's missing. All right. Bye.